From this video, I thought to show you how I developed the forgot password add-on in our sign-in process. So this is my sign-in page of my eShop web application in where the forgot password option is. And in here I would be using my database to copy my email. And first I would be clicking forgotten password without entering any data, and we would be getting an alert or error message saying invalid email address. Once I add my email to the email text field and click forgot password, it will say that the verification code has been sent to our email. When checking on the email, we can say that a mail has been sent to our email. eShop forgot password verification code, and our verification code is given. So we must copy it, and when we are visiting our eShop web application, we could see the forgot password alert. In here we should paste our verification code, and thus they say to set a new password, and after setting a new password we could use the show hide button which we have used there to see the password, and otherwise it would be in hidden form, and the same password should be given to the retype password text field. And after clicking on reset, we could get the alert as password reset successfully. Now after refreshing the database, we could see that the password has already been changed. In the index.php of our sign-in web page, we have used a on-click function called forgot password in our forgot password button. This is the model that we use for our forgot password interface, in which appears after clicking on the forgot password button. In here we have the enter new password, retype the new password, and the verification code submission. In here we have used show password on click function for our password text fields. At the end of the code there is the close and reset buttons. And for the reset button, we have used an on-click function called reset password. Now, if we visit the JavaScript script.js, we can see the forgot password function. In here we have set to take the values of email, and send it to the forgot password process.php using the get method. And if we further down, we could see two show password functions. In the show password, we have created two variables called sphere and button, and use document.getElementById to get the respective ID names from our index.php. And then later we have given the code saying that if the text field is in text form, we should convert it into the password form. If it is in the password form, we should convert it to the text form. And then there is the function called reset password. In here we have used several variables to get the IDs of our related text fields, and we have used form to take the values of the variables we created earlier. And in here we have said if we have created a new XML HTTP request, and if it is success, we have set to give us the alert. And finally, if it's true, we had set to direct us to the reset password process.php used in the post method. The next is the reset password process.php. In here we have used the connection.php to connect it with our database, and we have created variables called email password using post method by getting the variables from our index.php. And in here we have also used the method to send the emails and to get the related email. The next is the forgot password process.php. Similar to earlier, we have included the connection.php, and we have included more 3 PHPs for our forgot password process. And there comes the unique ID in which we would be generating a unique ID and storing it in our dollar code. That generated unique ID is the verification code that we would be using for our forgot password login. There are several details included here, including the one-time password we are using and the sender's email. And finally, after this, if the verification code sending is failed, we would be getting an alert, or if it is success, we would be getting an alert as success. And there would be other alert messages, including the verification of our email address, which should be in the correct format, or the email be missing from our email text. So this is how we developed our forgot password process of our sign in page in our eShop web application.